Welcome to Smart Indian. In this video I am going to discussing on B.R. Ambedkar and his role in Indian history and what contributions he did for our country. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was an Indian jurist, economist, social reformer and political leader who headed the committee drafting the Constitution of India from the Constituent Assembly debates, served as Law and Justice Minister in the first cabinet of Jawaharlal Nehru, and inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement after renouncing Hinduism. Let's discuss the role of B.R. Ambedkar in Indian history. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee which played an important role in the formation of the constitution. Dr. Ambedkar handled the task of presenting the draft constitution, answering various questions raised on it, and making necessary changes according to the suggestions of the Constituent Assembly. The Constitution of India was drafted by the Constituent Assembly over the 3 years, from 1946 to 1950. The Assembly was established under the Cabinet Mission Plan of 1946 and held its first session on December 11, 1946. The Constitution was adopted on November 26, 1949 and came into force on January 26, 1950. At that time, it was the longest national constitution ever adopted, containing 395 articles, 8 schedules, and about 145,000 words. Due to his contributions towards the making of the Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is called the father of the Indian Constitution. The secondary major role of B.R. Ambedkar in making of Constitution was drafting of the preamble of Indian Constitution. He was the one who leading the task of drafting the preamble, which outlines the core of the Constitution of India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's irrefutable authorship of the preamble by uncovering the intellectual origins of its 6 most central concepts: justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, dignity, and nation. The other major roles of B.R. Ambedkar were: Dr. Ambedkar was a strong advocate for social justice and equality. Dr. Ambedkar emphasized the importance of fundamental rights as a cornerstone of democracy. Dr. Ambedkar emphasized the importance of gender equality and worked towards the inclusion of provisions that protect and empower women. And finally, Dr. Ambedkar played a significant role in establishing an independent judiciary in India. Thus, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was considered to be a real patriotic Indian and struggled a lot throughout his life. He is known for its good deeds and works, and his visions changed the whole India to a superpower. And that was the video, guys. Write down your opinions about Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar and his legacy. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Smart Indian for regular updates. Thank you for watching.